It's gonna rain again. It's been raining on and off all day. I mean, little sprinkles, nothing really serious like they're claiming they were gonna come through, but with this lightning and thunder, it might be a different story here shortly. The rain's starting to pick up a little bit. So there's good lightning now. It's actually fairly warm out. I'm saying it's probably about 55, 60 degrees. It would be a nice night if it wasn't for the rain and thunder and lightning. Flag is whipping over there. It is coming down now. Wind's pretty strong. Shoes are just rainy night, rainy Sunday night. But it's warm and we have no snow. It's all grass. Well, soon to be mud. The neighbor's house looks pretty. I like how they lit it up. That one's alright too. It's coming down. Nice, good rain. Nice little breeze. Some lightning, some thunder. Ooh. Oh yeah, there's more lightning. I was gonna put out some food for the squirrels and the stray dogs, but not tonight because it's raining. It's not worth it. They're all tucked away anyway. I actually had a possum on the porch the other night, which is kind of cool to see a wild animal right there on the porch. What are we boys doing? Are we doing something? Get him, Moo Moo. Get him, Moo. Get him. Don't let the little shit get you. You know, you've been a little shit all day. Sir Trons has peed on the floor twice today. And I don't know. He's been sleeping in his litter box too, so I don't know what's up with him. I don't know if it's because of the storm coming in. He's just kind of getting weird. It's kind of weird the street lights are not on either. Well, I got this one on. I guess one street light's on, the other ones are not. Yeah, smells like my coffee's ready. Whoa. Pretty lightning. Tron. You've been naughty, boys. Yeah, you've been naughties. You both have. Fire department coffee. And I got, which one is it? Oh, it's that one. Get this turned off and unplugged because of lightning. We don't want too many things plugged in. Do our lightning storm. Check for bugs. No bugs. This is my third pot, which is why there's only 6 cups here. I already had 2 full 12 cups, so I already had 18, well, I don't know, whatever, 12 to 12, 24 cups of coffee now. There's 6 more in here. I am trying to cut down, but, you know, I've got nothing else to do but to drink coffee, so, hey, it is what it is. Some nice fire department coffee. Rocky's still underneath the bed. See, he didn't pee on that. He was mega laying on that. He peed in the bathtub, and he peed from there all the way down to here. Big long pee, which is why I put a thing underneath there. Because somebody's been served bad. Somebody's been served bad. Churches, go, get it, Churchy. Get it, Churches. You don't know how to scratch. Church. Come on, Churchies. Come here, Churches. Come here. Well, come here, Lobby. How about you, Lobby? Oh, you're gonna come now, Churches? Oh, really? I'm not gonna pet you. Hi. Alright. Buskos. Hides. Racket. You purring now? The lights are blinking.